everyone, it's the Reluctant Chef Sue, and today we're going to make some cold brew coffee in our new cold brew maker. Let me tell you a little bit about cold brew. When you brew cold brew coffee versus hot pour coffee, you're going to get a less acidic coffee. So it's going to be easier on your stomach, it's going to be smoother to the taste, and it's just going to have a good punch to it because you use a lot more coffee in order to brew a pot of cold brew versus hot. So you're not getting the bitterness from it. So Pampered Chef has made a cold brew iced coffee maker, and if you look in here, this filter is super fine. It's so that none of the grounds, you're not going to get any of the floaties that you would normally get. We have a glass pitcher with a silicone sweater on it. The sweater does come off. You can unzip it or unbutton it and put it into the dishwasher, but this makes it so that you can use hot or cold in here, and you won't drop it. And so it's got a good handle or wedge to it so that you can pick it up with your hands. So all you're going to do is you're going to stick the filter and the top piece together, and you're going to put in coffee, and you're going to fill this filter all the way up, all the way to the top. And I just put cold water from my my refrigerator filter in the silicone prep bowl for just easy pouring, but normally I would just go over to the refrigerator and just fill it from there. So what you do is you just simply fill it up, let the water pour over it, stick it in the refrigerator with the cover on it overnight, 24 hours, and in the morning you will have some great cold brew coffee. So I have a little tip for you for summertime iced coffee. How many of you guys hate it when your iced coffee gets all watered down, right? I do too. So what I recommend is when you brew coffee in the morning, if you have any leftover coffee, I tend to use the little Dixie bathroom cups, and I'll fill those up with extra coffee and make iced coffee cubes. Or you can use, we now have a baby food size 1 cup silicone prep bowl like this, but it's baby size, and we have half a cup for like baby food. So those would be perfect size for putting into a big tumbler of iced coffee. And that way when it melts, you're not watering down your iced coffee. So that's it. You just let the water go in, you let it seep. I'm gonna fill it all the way till it's up to the top here, and then I'm just gonna let it sit in the fridge overnight. So thanks for watching The Reluctant Chef. If you guys are part of a virtual party, what I want you to say is cold brew is less acidic. And if you private message that to me, you're gonna get 25 bonus points into our Happy Meal raffle that we do in our party. So again, thanks for watching The Reluctant Chef. If I can help you with recipes, cooking tips, or products that you would like to see through the Pampered Chef, just give me a shout. I'd be happy to come live. Have a great day, everyone.